Nail drills are not for the ordinary at-home nail doer. It is best for the pros, but if you are really confident in your manicure skills, you can give it a try with caution. These are used for shaping as well as smoothing nails, buffing calluses, and clearing cuticles. A nail drill is the best tool to achieve perfect acrylic manicure, so today we present to you 5 best portable nail drills to get those salon-perfect nails. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Creating and maintaining a perfect manicure is quite a task, but portable nail drills have made it easier for you to achieve beautiful nails within minutes. The RenoJ electric nail drill is a great option for you if you are looking for a handy and portable nail drill for your nails. It has an adjustable speed system, which reaches up to 20,000 RPM. The machine comes with 11 different pieces of nail drill bits and 66 pieces of sanding bands. You can use them to easily style your nails and remove gel polish and cuticles. It has forward and reverse direction system, so you can use this machine switching your hands. It also has an intelligent heat-dissipation system, which creates low heat when the machine is in use. The machine creates low noise and it's portable in nature, making it a great option for you. The RenoJ electric nail drill has earned a good number of reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, it is a great product and works great on both acrylic and real nails. Although some users complain that the drill works slowly and it doesn't deliver required results. Let's check out the ratings for the portable nail drill. Give your nails the extra touch of art with the OVX portable electric nail drill machine. It comes with an adjustable speed system, varying from 0 to 20,000 RPM. It has 6 different nail drill bits, 106 sanding bands, and a nail brush to give you the perfect manicure and pedicure experience. It is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and comes with a 2-way switch direction for better results. The power motor creates less noise, heat, and vibration to give you the best user experience. The machine is easy to use and portable, so you can carry it anywhere with you. The OVX portable electric nail drill has gained thousands of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this nail drill delivers easy and pain-free results. But some users complain that the machine died quickly. It's time to rate this nail drill. Quality and comfort are the 2 main features of a product, which help to assure maximum customer satisfaction. The Alle's portable electric nail drill promises to ensure the best comfort for you and your nails. It comes with an adjustable speed control of 0 to 20,000 RPM. It has 6 types of multifunctional nail drill bits and 106 sanding bands. Grind, cut, polish, and remove cuticles as per your requirements. The machine also comes with a nail brush. It has a high-efficiency heat dissipation feature, and it creates low noise and vibration. It is a handy tool and portable as well. The Alle's portable electric nail drill has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it is a great product for people of all ages. The machine delivers great results, but some users complain that the prong to the device's cord breaks off easily. It's time to rate this nail drill. Newcomers often face problems with perfecting their manicure. Time-consuming nail sculpturing is also tiresome work for both professionals and beginners. The AIRSEE portable electric nail drill comes with the solution to these problems. It has a 0 to 20,000 RPM continuously variable speed switching feature, which makes it a handy tool for you. The device comes with 11 different kinds of nail drill bits and around 50 standing bands. You can easily grind, cut, polish, and remove cuticles and gel polish with this device. It has forward and reverse directions, so you can easily switch hands for a better result. The AIRSEE portable electric nail drill is one of the most reviewed portable nail drills, has earned many ratings and reviews on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, it is a great product and suitable for beginners, although some users said that the product stopped working after some time. Time to check out the ratings. If you are looking for an all-in-one nail kit to maintain a perfect manicure, the MelodySusie portable electric nail drill is the right product for you. Its unique features give you salon-quality professional nails right at home. It comes with an adjustable rotation speed of 0 to 20,000 RPM, so you can adjust the speed according to your liking. It has 6 different kinds of metal bits and sanding bands, which perfectly grind, carve, and cut your nails and remove cuticles as well. The drill has a strong motor and a start heat dissipation system, for which it generates low noise and heat. It is portable, light, and easy to use. The MelodySusie portable electric nail drill is one of the best-selling portable nail drills and has earned thousands of ratings and reviews on Amazon. According to the reviews, the drill works great and it's easy to use, but some users complain that the machine shuts off randomly after being used for some time. Let's check out the ratings for this portable nail drill. So these are our top picks portable nail drills. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.